Hi, I'm Clovis from Kinematic Lab, the maker of the radius tool. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a blossoming effect on a simple sphere. So let's start by creating a sphere and convert it to editable poly. Then I will select some edge rings, start the Detach Faces tool, check Auto Pivot, Auto Parent, Reverse, and press Detach Selected Edges. So I have to do this multiple times to be sure it will do exactly the same type of parenting from the bottom of the sphere to the top on each stripes. So it's a bit long, I'm sorry, but it's really the only way to do that. So as I show on the previous tutorials, using this tool, the Detach Selected Edges with the Auto Pivot, put in fact the pivot of each faces in the middle of the selected edges, which means that each face will rotate around its own edge. Okay, so now if I select everything and rotate it the local axis, see the sphere opening. So I create a gizmo, I move it on the top and activate it. So now I add the faces to the system and link the Y rotation axis. So now if I move the gizmo on the sphere, you can see it start to rotate on the top. I just have to increase the value like that. And the radius, oh, it's a bit strong. I reduce the value a bit, have something more smooth. And that's it. So we have now sort of blossoming effect on a flower. But it doesn't have to start from the center. You can move it around and something more different and maybe more natural. You can also randomize it a bit to be more natural again. And now you can play with the fall of curve. Just to create a different transition, different peeling effect. So it's only a sphere, but it's already looks like some kind of flower or something vegetal. And you can also limit the maximum rotation value. To be sure it will finish like an inverse sphere or something like that. All right. So we can now create some really interesting transition effect. And easily watching what is happening when you move the sphere. So we can now create a different type of gizmo. Here it's just a circle, and I will use it as I used the sphere gizmo on the Y rotation axis. I activate it. And now something else is happening. It's because, like with a straight line, there is a start and an end, even in a circle or in a square. So you can see here the fall-off curve is ready here to adjust the value from the start to the end. And if you move or rotate the spline gizmo, it's also affecting the rotation of the faces. So here the curve readjusts the value along the spline, along the trajectory of the spline. It's very fun to play with. So I hope you liked it. See you on the next tutorial.